I'm gonna try a test shot, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
No smile or no smile?
Heading into 2022, I have a chance to defend my championship that I was able to win last year. So it's a great feeling, holding that #1 plate on the bike. Definitely makes you not want to lose it. So this year, that's the goal, is to try to go back to back, and feeling really good. Training and riding and testing have been amazing so far this year. Feeling really strong and ready to give myself a title defense. I've never won the opener in the premier class, so that's something that I would really like to do, and it's a goal of mine, and is to improve. Last year I won 8 races, and I think I want to be able to try to do that again, if not top it. But the main goal is a championship, and that's what we work for every year, and I feel super confident in my program and in my team and with my mechanic Carlos that we'll be able to accomplish it again.
Ever since I came onto the team, they've really kind of made me feel at home. I've just kind of been myself, and you know, these guys like to have fun as much as I do. You know, I just kind of bring it out of them in a different way. But you know, we're still all about winning, but we're just gonna have a little bit different approach to it, I guess.
Of course, ending the 2021 season with a win and a second place at the last run was just amazing, and gave me more motivation for the future. And you know, to be honest, after my big knee injury, yeah, I wasn't quite sure if I could get back to my full potential, but I quite did, you know, at the end of the year. So that's why I want to keep going, and I'm excited for some good racing, and yeah, be competitive and fight with the top.
Yeah, year one rookie season is always going to be a struggle, and I feel so much better this year already right now, and I feel way ahead of where I was last year this time. And yeah, especially the new bikes helped so much the past few weeks. And yeah, I feel way better, so I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully coming into the season I'm right at my peak, and you know, stay healthy for the rest of this off season, and really look forward to getting out there and getting some results.